Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer Samsung Notes from old phone to new phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let's say that this is my old phone and I'm going to transfer my Samsung Notes from this phone to my new phone. So first of all guys, I'm going to open up my Samsung Notes application. I'm going to go to my Samsung folder and then we can choose Samsung Notes. Okay, and for your information guys, that we can only transfer unlocked notes. So make sure you have unlocked all of your notes before you transfer it. Okay, if you want to transfer all of your notes, you just need to tap and hold on one of the notes like this until this option appear on your screen, and then you can click on all, and all the notes will be selected automatically. And after that, you just need to click on transfer. But before, make sure you have unlocked your notes. Okay, and since we can only transfer the unlocked nodes, I just want to select the unlocked ones. Okay, for example, this one, and also this one. Okay, and then we're going to click on share, and you'll be able to share it as Samsung Notes file, PDF file, Microsoft Word file, Microsoft PowerPoint file, image file, or text file. And it's up to you. And for me, I'm just going to choose Samsung Notes file, and I recommend you to choose this format. Choose the Samsung Notes file, so you will be able to open your Samsung Notes with the same format on your new phone. You can click on Samsung Notes file, and then you can choose the method you want to use to transfer the Samsung Notes. I recommend you to choose the Quick Share because it's easier and faster. Okay, and you need to activate Quick Share on your new phone, and your new phone's device's name will appear right here, and then you just need to tap on that, and then the transferring process will be started. Okay, and don't forget to turn on your Bluetooth and also your Wi-Fi to use this Quick Share. Okay guys, and that's all the way to transfer Samsung Notes from old phone to new phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.